Also, could you put your armbands on? So you're going to take it from me, yeah, and you, fabulous. And then can you do that one for me, yeah? Amazing. Cool.
Show me your muscles.
Show your muscles. Show the muscles. Muscles are camera. Yeah. Yeah, and then get yourself down these steps. I'm here to help you. So how are you going to go? Yep, watch that as a step there. You got it, bud. Well done. Right, and then nice and slow. Lower it down. You got it. Well done. Keep going. One more step. Yep, well done. And then do you want to go grab the wall for me? You got it. Kick, 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 kick. Well done, Ronnie. You got it. That was fun. Right, throw Mr. Ladybug. Alright, make your speedboat with your noodle. Super glue those hands on your speedboat. Those super glued. Nice and tight. Off we go. Kick, 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 kick. Then wear those big bubbles. Don't lose that speedboat. Oh, the speedboat's gone small. Make it big again. How do you make your speedboat big? Pull your arms forward. Ready? Big. Wow, and then hold your speedboat. Oh, here already. Oh. I don't think it's full. You will fill it up. Should we take it back over to the wall? Now show us your big thick legs. Yeah? You can let go of my hand when you're ready. Big bubbles. Well done. Keep going nice and well. Keep it the whole face in your bubbles. How you did it? Well done, Ronnie. Good breath. Right, which one should we get? The piggy? Oh. Come on then. You got it. Kick, 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 kick. Keep going. Well done. You got it. You get. Whoa! Should we take it back? Hello, toes. You right? Kick it back. If I get your boost, ready? Show us your kicking legs. Whoa! You got it in the other lane, Ronnie. You've got the other teacher there. Should we take it back? You're gonna kick, kick, kick. Oh, you want to go on your back? Okay, yeah. Well done, Ronnie. That's fantastic. Keep going, just gonna turn left, keep kicking. Well done, Ronnie. You're doing really well. Can you push your tummy up? Well done. Keep pushing it up, squeeze it up. Well done. Almost there. That was fantastic, Ronnie. Should we take the pig nose and you can play with it? Not with me. What about with you? Alright, well done. Now show us your big thick legs. Yeah? You can let go of my hand when you're ready. Big bubbles. Well done. Keep going nice and well. Keep it the whole face in your bubbles. How you did it? Well done, Ronnie. Good breath. Right, which one should we get? The piggy? Oh. Come on then. You got it. Kick, 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 kick. Keep going. Well done. You got it. You get. Whoa! Should we take it back? Hello, toes. You right? Kick it back. If I get your boost, ready? Show us your kicking legs. Whoa! You've got it in the other lane, Ronnie. You've got the other teacher there. Should we take it back? You're gonna kick, kick, kick. Oh, you want to go on your back? Okay, yeah. Well done, Ronnie. That's fantastic. Keep going. Just gonna turn left, keep kicking. Well done, Ronnie. You're doing really well. Can you push your tummy up? Well done. Keep pushing it up, squeeze it up. Well done. Almost there. That was fantastic, Ronnie. Should we take the pig nose and you can play with it? Not with me. What about with you? Alright, well done. Keep hold, keep hold. Well done, Ronnie. That was excellent. You did that all by yourself. Big bubbles again. Well done. Which one are we going to get? Big girl? Yeah, get those big legs up again, remember? Kick, 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 kick. Well done, Ronnie. That one, they've got a hedgehog. You've got a ducky. Can you do two at once? Whoa. You alright? Can you get the duck? Yeah? Well done. Should we go back to the wall? Take them back to the treasure box with the pig and the ladybug. Yeah? Come on then, let's go. What are you thinking? Should we get the ladybug and then we squirt everyone with it? Yeah, we can get them all. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, kick, kick. Can you blow your big bubbles as well? Keep going, kick, 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 kick. You do a whole system with big bubbles. Yeah. That is fun. Going, kick, 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 kick. Oh, we're almost at the wall. Kick, 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 kick. Keep going, you've got it. Do you want me to take the toy so you can put your hands on the wall? Yeah? Keep yourself safe. 1, and 2, and kick, 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 kick. You've got it, go, 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 go. And then grab hold of that wall for me, please, Ollie. Well done. How's that feel? Alright, now we're going to head on and ready to do is place it down, show your big kicking leg, and show you you show me some bubbles whilst you do that. Keep going, keep it. When you're ready, keep going. That's the wall. Kick with hands down. Big leg to the side, just going to show you. Off we go. Alright, then we're going to head. Can you put your whole face in with the blow bubbles?